Hello, everybody. It is a matter of great pleasure for us that we are discussing 7 habits of highly effective people, and particularly second habit embodied with one single principle that is known as values and vision. Okay, I would like to first extend my thanks to Vineet sir for digital support and also for extending my thanks to Anjali ma'am for helping us to provide this video to you. Okay, now what is the importance of principles? We know principles are always greater than, stronger than, more valuable than the even great peoples, even circumstances, even or your past events. Principles are important. If you live by principle, it means your success will be ascertained. Okay? Or if you ignore principles, then it will be harmful for you because principles have three important components. First is known as these are immemorial, these are universal. Okay? So it is everywhere reliable, everywhere validating, and they are everywhere worthwhile. So we should obey them. If the gravitational force is working, then working, it is also working in India and it is also working in USA. Everywhere on this earth it is working. Similarly, the principle is working everywhere universally. If speak the truth is correct, so everywhere is correct. And then second is the timeless. These are beyond time. Yesterday it was right, 5 years ago the principles were right, and after 5,000 years it will be right because there is no foundation of time for principles. In every time the same principle will hold good. Okay? And then what is that? They are self evident. There is no need of proving it. Speak the truth. Be happy relations with all. This is the principle. So you cannot avoid it. You cannot ignore it. You cannot neglect it. If you neglect, it is your choice. But you will be suffered by the losses. You will incur definitely harms. Okay. So what is the need of principle? I explained it detailed. Now I say second habit is embodied with one principle that is known as vision. And vision based on values and live by principles. Okay, so the important thing is vision. Vision, what is vision? Vision is the reality of your life in future, imagination in future. What are you lying to? Yesterday, what you were is not so important. Today, what you are is also not so important. But tomorrow, what you would be, that is the most important for you. Okay? So, the purpose of life, the significant contribution of the life depends on the future imagination. What is your future planning? Okay? So, what is vision? Vision is to see, view in the future. One who does not have vision means he will perish, he will be destroyed. If a person, if a company does not have vision for 5 years, 10 years, even for 1 year, 2 years, so it will not survive. It will definitely go to dogs. Okay? So there is need of everywhere vision. Vision is a principle. Okay? Vision means planning for the future. Vision means set your goals. Vision means make your action plans. Vision means your dreams. But give time to them and put them on action. Dreams are goals when you need to put on actions. If you put actions, then it is goal. Otherwise, it is only dream. And when you have a long sight for your goals for 5 years, for 10 years, for 15 years, for 50 years, then it is known as vision. Okay? 1 day goal, 2 days goal, 6 months goals are goals, not vision. Vision is a continuous study of the goals, continuous running of the goals, a series of goals when you have from today to 20 years, then it is known as vision. Okay? Where is vision? there is reason. Where is vision, there is success. Whenever you have vision, you will succeed in your life for long time. Otherwise, you can succeed for 1 year, 2 year, then after, ultimately you will fail. Without vision, a man cannot survive permanently, a company cannot survive permanently. So vision is must, because this is the principle, and principle holds good everywhere. Principle hai, so it is immortal. Principle, it is stronger than people, it is stronger than circumstances, it is stronger than past events. So always obey principles. So this is the vision and values. What are values? Accepted the belief by you. You have taken certain things that I will do these things in my life. Those are known as values. You decided your values. You decided that I should be a good man, or I will earn lakhs of rupees per day. This is your value. Okay. But if the values are based on principles, then it will make a vision. Okay. If you are visionary, then you will be successful certainly in your life. And if you don't have vision or a diminished vision, so you will be demolished. You will be destroyed. Decline is evident. Okay. That is inevitable. Okay. So vision is a principle, and principles are always winning in your life. So adopt will principle. Those people who are principle based will survive successfully, significantly in their life. Such companies having vision will permanently, will meaningfully survive for immortal time. And those companies don't have vision, they will either this year or next year they will go to dogs. Okay. Now I would like to one more thing, that after that we will have third principle to be discussed, that is the integrity and the priority. Okay, execution. Whenever you are in a company, then vision is not enough. You have to take actions, strategic actions, participative actions, team spirit, organizational spirit. Those things are also essential. Otherwise, you cannot run your company. Individual people can do something, but for a company this is not possible. Okay. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बतलाना चाहूँगा कि 7 हैबिट्स जो है वो मैंने बतलाई, उनमें दूसरी हैबिट जो है उसमें एक प्रिंसिपल निहित है जिसको अपन विजन कहते हैं. और विजन का मतलब है भविष्य में झांकना, भविष्य में योजना बनाना, और भविष्य में तुम कितनी दूर तक जाओगे यही इम्पोर्टेंट है. तुम कल क्या थे कोई महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, तुम आज क्या हो वो भी इतना महत्वपूर्ण है, कल क्या बनने जा रहे हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. विजन कहता है 10 साल बाद क्या बनोगे, 50 साल बाद करोगे. और कंपनियां तो 100 साल तक का आगे रखती है. एक ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी होती थी, भारत में कब आई थी, और आज तक यानी वो कहीं न कहीं काम कर रही है. यानी सैकड़ों साल के बाद भी वो कंपनी कहीं न कहीं काम कर रही है. और मेरे को किसी ने बताया कि इंडिया बेस्ड आदमी ने अब उस कंपनी को खरीद लिया, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को, पर स्टिल इट इज़ वर्किंग. ओके. तो दूसरी बात यह है कि जो ये विजन है, अगर आप विजन रखोगे, इस सिद्धांत की पालना करोगे तो सफलता सुनिश्चित है, और नहीं रखोगे तो विनाश सुनिश्चित है. जहाँ विजन नहीं है वहाँ विक्टिमाइजेशन है, विक्टिमाइजेशन विनाश. और जहाँ विजन है वहाँ सक्सेस है. जहाँ विजन है वहाँ आप मिलकर के काम करोगे, सिनर्जी है. जहाँ सिनर्जी है वहाँ सक्सेस है. कलेक्टिवनेस विल प्रोवाइड यू मोर बेनिफिट्स, स्ट्रोंगर things to you, and more important indispensable things for you. Okay. आप सभी लोगों से ये निवेदन है कि आप सिद्धांत पर आधारित कार्यों को जब भी अपनी कंपनी में करेंगे तो सदैव सफलता प्राप्त करेंगे. एक बार मैं पुनः बतला देता हूँ, कल जो है 11:30 बजे हम वेबिनार का आयोजन कर रहे हैं, जिसमें जो है 5 चीज़ें बताई जाएगी आपको. पहले तो आपको अफर्मेशन कि कौन कौन सी आप में जो प्रतिभाएं हैं उनके बारे में आपको अवगत कराया जाएगा. दूसरा इंस्पायर, आपको किन किन बातों से भय की मुक्ति मिलेगी, रोगों से मुक्ति मिलेगी, कौन कौन से दुखड़े तुम्हारे हैं उनसे दूर करने के लिए इंस्पायरेशन किया जाएगा. तीसरी जो है क्लियरिंग डाउट्स, कोई भी संशय है, भ्रम है, क्योंकि सारा खेल भ्रम का है, माया जाल का है, वो भ्रम जब दूर होंगे तो आप सफलतापूर्वक कार्य कर पाओगे। और उसके बाद में हीलिंग, मैं हीलिंग पावर्स आपको प्रोवाइड करूँगा, जो मैंने श्री विद्या आचार्य के रूप में सीखी, और मैंने जो है ग्रैंड मास्टर रेकी के रूप में सीखी, और गायत्री आचार्य के रूप में सीखी, वो मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करूँगा। वो स्पिरिचुअल है, स्पिरिचुअल का लेवल है 540 कैलिबर की, और उसके बाद में ब्लेसिंग्स है जो करीबन 600 कैलिबर के बाद में प्राप्त होते हैं। तो ऐसे व्यक्ति जो स्पिरिचुअली हाई हैं, देखो मोरलिटी इज डिफरेंट थिंग और स्पिरिचुअल इज डिफरेंट थिंग। नैतिकता अलग चीज़ है, स्पिरिचुअलिटी अलग चीज़ है। तो आध्यात्मिक रूप से जो लोग उच्चस्थ है वो आपको हीलिंग पावर दे सकते हैं, और वही आपको जो है आशीर्वाद दे सकते हैं। आप अपनी मेहनत करते हो, निज कृपा जरूरी है, लेकिन अगर आपको किन्हीं उच्चस्थ आध्यात्मिक लोगों की कृपा मिल जाती है तो सोने में सुहागा है।